Hey everyone, want to know the secret to getting your work done faster? It's all about mastering your tools, and today, we're talking about Excel. I'm going to share the top 5 Excel shortcuts that people in my company use every single day. Trust me, these will change the way you work. First up, CTRL plus C and CTRL plus V, the classic copy and paste. Simple, but you'd be surprised how much time it saves over right-clicking. Next, CTRL plus Z undo. Made a mistake. No problem, just hit this combo and pretend it never happened. Then we have CTRL plus S, save your work. I can't stress this enough. Save often so you don't lose hours of progress. It's a lifesaver. Fourth, CTRL plus F find. Need to locate a specific name or number in a massive spreadsheet? This is your best friend. And finally, Alt plus Tab. This isn't just an Excel shortcut, but it's essential for switching between your spreadsheet and other windows super quickly. Master these 5, and you'll be an Excel pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.